Lush Loom has completed yet another stunning project in Sharjah, a full villa renovation project in Street R Muwaileh Commercial. For this beautiful villa, one of the key elements of the transformation was the curtain installation. The right curtains can completely change the look and feel of an interior. They add elegance, privacy, comfort, and a beautifully finished appearance to every room. For this project, Lush Loom focused on creating a sophisticated window treatment that perfectly complements the villa's interior design. From selecting the right fabric and style to achieving the perfect finish during installation, every detail was handled with care and precision. The curtains bring softness and character to the spaces while maintaining a clean, elegant, and luxurious appearance. At Lush Loom, we understand that curtains are not simply window coverings. They are an important part of the overall interior design. And with professional installation and attention to every detail, the result is a refined look that truly completes the space. Beyond their visual appeal, the curtains in this villa were designed to bring together beauty, privacy, comfort, and functionality. A well-designed curtain installation can completely change the atmosphere of a room. It can soften the interior, frame the windows beautifully, and create a more sophisticated overall appearance. The choice of curtain style and fabric plays an important role in achieving the right look. From the way the curtains fall to the way they frame each window, every detail contributes to the final finish. Moving on to another important feature of this villa, the staircase. A staircase is more than just a functional part of a home. When properly dressed and finished, it can become a stunning focal point of the interior. For this project, Lush Loom carefully worked on the staircase dressing, creating a look that adds elegance, warmth, and a more luxurious feel to the villa. The staircase now blends beautifully with the surrounding interiors, creating a smooth and cohesive visual flow throughout the home. Every detail was completed with precision, from the overall finish to the final installation, ensuring a professional and polished result. This project is another example of how thoughtful interior finishing can transform a villa and elevate its overall appearance. Lush Loom, transforming spaces with quality, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. Now let's take a closer look at the staircase transformation, one of the standout features of this villa renovation. A staircase is often a central part of a villa's interior. It is not only used to move between floors, but it also has a strong visual impact on the overall design of the home. That's why the right staircase dressing can make the entire space feel more elegant, comfortable, and complete. For this project, Lush Loom focused on creating a sophisticated and beautifully finished staircase, carefully considering the overall appearance and how it connects with the surrounding interior. The staircase dressing adds an extra layer of character while creating a more polished and luxurious atmosphere. The final phase of this transformation focused on the flooring. For the ground floor, we installed SPC flooring in a beautiful pale oak finish, carefully selected for its durability, moisture resistance, and ability to handle everyday traffic coming through the garden windows. Before installation, our team carefully prepared and leveled the subfloor to create a smooth and stable foundation. The SPC planks were then precisely clicked together through the main living spaces, creating a continuous flow that makes each area feel more spacious and connected. To complete the look, we installed crisp white skirting along the walls, maintaining clean, precise, and even junctions between the flooring and skirting. And with that, another beautiful transformation by Lush Loom comes to completion. From elegant curtains and carefully dressed staircases to beautifully finished SPC flooring, every detail has been designed and installed with quality, precision, and attention to detail. Lush Loom, transforming spaces one detail at a time.